Welcome to Still Rich Farms. This is our DIY video on building a chicken coop out of a portable building. You'll see in this first part that I'm leveling the building and getting in just the right placement to where I want it. To help me get the building in the right placement, I jacked it up and put some round posts up underneath it to help move it around. It took me several times to actually get it just where I wanted it, but I finally got it there. In the video, you'll notice that I moved it up about 10 foot forward and also was measuring to my barn next to it just to make sure it was square. This next part here, you'll see that we're cutting the wood for the chicken coop itself. Next part, you'll see us building the floor to the chicken coop. Now that we got the floor done, we actually went ahead and pulled out the loft above. We had the idea that we wanted to make this look like a barn when you walk inside the door. As you watch here, you'll see the barn start to take shape. As we move forward here, you'll see the barn start to really take shape. Here's a couple live video shots we had during the build.
I kind of spoiled that cat a little bit. He pretty much has everything he needs.
In this next step, you'll see us put the OSB board on. Also throughout the video, you'll notice that we have hardwire cloth we put everywhere. We wanted to make sure we kept out all the varmints and anything that possibly could get to the chickens. Now you'll see us introducing the chicks to their new home. Well, we finally made it to the chicken run. Here you'll see our daughter, Carly Ray, cutting the hardware cloth. Also, you'll notice here that we built the walls in 3-foot sections. That way the hardware cloth actually fit perfectly in between them. We built the walls on the ground. That's actually an 8-foot wall you're looking at. Once we get it in place, we get it supported, and then we'll go to the next wall. Next, you'll see that we put lumber over the walls inside. This gave it a really great look. The lumber came from Wallace Farms and Sawmill. Well guys, we've almost got it done here. And yes, I trust my wife driving me around on the front end of the tractor. As we end here, you'll see we're putting the pine mulch out, just wrapping up a few odds and ends. We'll also put a few things out in the run here that the chickens play on. A mirror, some perches, and we've got a couple other things that we're adding to. This has really been a great, fun project. Definitely recommend it for family to do. We're gonna end here with some live video shots and just a few more videos of the whole chicken coop. So hit the like and subscribe button if you would. I'm gonna put some more stuff out here in the future, so I would greatly appreciate that like and subscribe. And I think you'll also like the other videos that I'll be coming out with that we'll be doing on our land here. We have 72 acres here in Vernon, Alabama, and we've got several things we're going to be doing. So y'all stay tuned.